Hello friends, I hope you are feeling completely well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arash and I'm here to teach you French language in English. Let's get started. Guys, in this video, this is a really quick video and I want to tell you some phrases, some sentences with nationalities and the name of the countries that we studied in the previous video. So, the first phrase is Le Portugal est un pays européen. Again, le Portugal est un pays européen. You can do liaison here, so you can pronounce it. Le Portugal est un pays européen. Le Portugal est un really easy. Est un pays européen. Portugal is Le Portugal means Portugal, as you already know. The conjugation of the verb être. Un, pays means country. Européen, European. Portugal, it's a European country. Portugal, it's a European country. The second one. Le Japon est un pays asiatique. Le Japon est un pays asiatique. You can translate it now for yourself. Le Japon est un pays asiatique. Japan it's an Asian country. La Tunisie est un pays africain. La Tunisie est un pays africain. Tunis Tunisie is an African country. L'océan means the ocean, an ocean, ocean, an ocean. L'océan, the ocean. L'Océanie, it's the name of a continent. L'Océanie. We have some continents that I will write for you. A continent, we have l'Amérique, America, l'Afrique. Guys, I will write here, they are the names of the continents. Les continents. Les continents, the continents, les continents, l'Amérique, l'Afrique, l'Asie, Asia, Africa, America, l'Amérique, l'Afrique, l'Asie, l'Europe, Europe, l'Océanie, les continents, the continents, l'Amérique, l'Afrique, l'Asie, l'Europe, l'Océanie. They are the name of the continents. So, Oceanian, a person from l'Océanie. Oceanian, this is the nationality. American, you know the nationality. Européen, you also know it. African, also know it. Asiatique, I mentioned it before in the previous video. Le Moyen-Orient, Middle East. Le Moyen-Orient, Middle East, it is translated Middle East. Le Moyen-Orient. L'extrême-orient, Far East. l'extrême-orient. Iran est un pays du Moyen-Orient. Guys, I will tell you what does this do mean in next videos, and you will know why we put do here. I will tell you completely in details, don't worry. Every single thing I will tell you to understand and learn it passionately. Now just memorize it. After that I will tell you what is it. Iran est un pays du Moyen-Orient. Iran, it's a country of the Middle East. Of the Middle East. Of the du. Les continents, I told you, l'Afrique, l'Amérique, l'Océanie, l'Europe, l'Asie. You know them? Right now. La France est grande et touristique. La France est grande. France is big. It's a big country. La France est grande. France is big. Et touristique. Touristique. Et means and. And touristique. Touristique. La France est entre l'océan Atlantique et la mer Méditerranée. Again, la France est entre, liaison here, est entre, et entre, you can do liaison, est entre l'océan Atlantique et la mer Méditerranée. France is entre, between l'océan Atlantique, Atlantic Ocean, and la mer Méditerranée, Mediterranean Sea. La mer means sea. Le Brésil est touristique et grand. Le Brésil est touristique et grand. Brazil is touristic and grand, big. La Suisse est développée. La Suisse est développée. Switzerland is developed. Développé. La Russie est industrielle, or you can do liaison and pronounce it. La Russie est industrielle. Industrielle. La Russie est industrielle. Russia is industrial. La Chine est ancienne. Liaison. You can do this. La Chine est ancienne. Ancienne. La Chine est ancienne. China is ancient. L'Italie est comme une botte. I delete it. L'Italie est comme une botte. Italy is comme means like. Italy is like a boot. Boat means boot. L'Italie est comme une botte. Italy is like a boot. This is about the map of the Italy. This is the shape of Italy on the map. L'Iran, this is my country. L'Iran est comme un chat. If you see, guys, this is really interesting. If you see the map of my country, the shape of my country on the map, this is really interesting for you, and you will see a shape of a cat. Un chat. Chat means cat. L'Iran est comme un chat. Iran is like a cat. La Turquie est comme un rectangle. Un rectangle. La Turquie est comme un rectangle. Turkey is like a rectangle. 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 Turkey is like a rectangle. Have a good time, guys. I hope you enjoy my videos. If you like them, please like, share and subscribe. This is your channel. I'm here to teach you whatever I know. I am really enjoying teaching the ones want to learn this beautiful language, and I hope you like these videos. If you have any recommendations, you can comment under the videos and tell your opinions, your ideas, whatever you know to learn in French language, and I will provide you with different videos, grammar, uh, vocabulary, comprehension, everything, listening, everything. Don't worry about this language. You can learn this language with me from 0 till 100. Have a good time, guys.